Alright, y'all, headed to the conference. This is the final day of the conference. It's raining yet again. It's rained every day we've been here, so very unlike the LA weather, but here it is. It is what it is.
Here was a typical day of what I ate. I had cereal for breakfast. I remember as a kid in the 80s where there was TV commercials of what a complete American breakfast looked like. It was a bowl of cereal, piece of toast, glass of juice.
Alright, y'all, so I am about to have another one of these ketone esters. I had 2 hours of sleep the night before. I was dozing off during the conference, and I had this, and I legitimately felt significantly more awake and aware. So this stuff does work wonders if you're sleep deprived. You probably don't want to always use that as a crutch. You want to get more sleep, but in the meantime, this works great.
I just dropped mine on the floor.
Oh yeah.
Down that.
Oh yeah.
It didn't knock you out of the chair though, like before.
Can I see
That's
it
true.
real quick? I just dropped mine.
All right, Logan's filming him taking it. Rachel just took it. Yeah, she's alive and well.
You took it yesterday. What did it feel like? Did you feel anything yesterday?
Here we go.
All right.
By the way, this is Frank. He's the owner.
Hey, what's up?
All right, Logan. Let's see what the facial expression's looking like.
All right, here we go. We're gonna take this whole thing.
Now, if you're expecting OJ, not so good. If you're expecting a ginger shot mixed with tequila, then it'll be wonders.
There you go.
Woo!
Not too bad. All right, so we're leaving the Metabolic Health Summit. Just got all my stuff packed up, and we're headed out right now. So let's do that.
Robert, a little tired today.
What? A little tired.
Who are we
today?
with?
Yeah, no, not
Logan.
We gotta get him some meat.
That's right.
All right, y'all, so we have successfully packed up and loaded up and hit the road. We got Kim.
What's up? What's up?
Hey, hey.
How's it going? You drinking coffee?
This is tea.
Tea?
He has tea.
Earl Grey.
Very nice, very nice. We got Logan Sneed back there drinking Earl Grey tea. And we got Rachel driving. We're headed to a Superbowl party. Is that what's going on?
That's going on.
Superbowl party? But I hear that there's going to be a lot of meat there, so that's what I'm going for because I don't even know who's playing. I probably
Robert
shouldn't say that on camera.
It is the meatball. Rob loves the meat.
Yeah, buddy. All right, y'all, so we'll watch the Super Bowl third quarter right now. We're taking a break to go to Air 1. Never been there before, but supposedly the biohackers grocery store paradise. Is that right?
Honestly, I think this grocery store is going to be more exciting than the Super Bowl is at this moment.
We're with the perfect keto crew, and we're going to go on an adventure right now, so get ready. Air 1. Get the food.
Air Juan.
These are what apples are supposed to look like.
Mini apples?
No, these are like what apples are supposed to look like.
Real apples, organic
Maybe
apples.
real apples, but like this is what they were. They weren't this. They were
Ancient
this.
apples.
We're plotting Air 1 domination right now. We're gonna need someone on the grass-fed meat and the wild-caught seafood.
You got grass-fed and wild
We're
caught?
gonna need someone on avocado. Can I trust you with that?
Come on.
Oh, killing it, Keto.
What you got, man? What you got, Alex?
Boy, I'll come up with a surprise. How about that?
Robert's got the meat.
The meatloaf surprise. Oh yeah, we gotta get you on the meat.
You know it. You know it. All right.
Do the veggies.
Let's do it.
Perfect. We all need a fast.
That's right. That's right. Look at all this food. All right, so this is like one of the most health-conscious stores I've ever been into. Actually, scratch that. This is the most health-conscious grocery store I've ever been into. The stuff they have here is like what every keto store should have. There's a lot of stuff that's not keto, but so much of it is keto.
Exactly. And then you like your trusting
Little puppy
It's like a
dog.
mini Robert.
Oh, look at him. He's so cute.
White anchovies. Let me get some of that.
In that oil.
Macadamia nuts and macadamia
But
nut oil.
when you get macadamia nuts, you don't want it in the crap
Soybean
oil.
or maltodextrin.
Look at that, macadamia nut oil.
Boom. They've also got pili nuts. Alright, so this is like a keto-friendly jerky biltong. We have a couple of different varieties here. This is supposedly the best 100% chocolate on the market.
According to that guy.
According to me. According to this guy. Little puppy dog.
This.
What are you getting, Logan?
We're gonna get some of these veggies here.
Veggies?
Maybe some salmon.
Salmon.
Is it possible to bring you a fresh one of these and like get it filled?
Boom. What you thinking, man?
What's that?
You digging it?
I'm digging it. This is my favorite grocery store on the planet.
I love it.
It's on my Mount Crushmore of grocery stores.
It's my favorite now too.
Let's go.
All right, y'all. So we just got back from the grocery store. We have all the food on the table here. This is like an epic, massive meal. Check this out. We literally have every keto food you could ever want. All the dark chocolate bars, the vegetables, the meats, the cheeses, the pickles, everything. All the macadamia nuts. This rotisserie chicken actually has ketogenic ingredients. Salmon. Beautiful. Beautiful. Excited?
Most insane keto full day of eating right here.
About to dig in.
Yeah, buddy. Alright, y'all, I don't mess around. Got the whole chicken here. They just sold out of the beef, so I got the chicken, the whole thing. Alright, y'all, I did not finish the vlog for yesterday, so let me do that real quick. We basically went to the grocery store, got all that food, and then we just sat around the dinner table for like 3 or 4 hours, ate all that food, and talked, and just socialized, networked, and just had a good time. Like, we didn't film any of it. We just were in the moment with the perfect keto crew. It was just awesome, wasn't it, Logan?
Man, it was a lot of fun, dude. It's been such an amazing trip.
It's been just like laid back and chill, you know. And sometimes you don't want to film that. You don't want to with the camera out. You just want to like be there. So I did not film to conclude yesterday's vlog. Sorry about that. Today's vlog starting now. See you today.